The Renault Boreal is officially set to arrive in South Africa between late 2026 and early 2027, according to a Renault South Africa representative. Designed specifically for markets outside Europe, the new model will be assembled in both Brazil and Türkiye. Measuring 4,556 millimeters in length with a 2,702 millimeters wheelbase, the Boreal is aimed squarely at rivals such as the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro, Toyota Corolla Cross, and Kia Seltos. Its styling stands apart from the rest of Renault's current lineup, with a distinctive front-end design that makes a bold first impression. Built on the Renault Group's CMF-B platform, the same architecture underpinning the Duster, the Boreal will be produced at Renault's Curitiba plant in Brazil and the Bursa facility in Türkiye. Renault's ambitions for the model are substantial. The Brazilian plant will supply 17 countries across Latin America, while the Turkish factory will serve 54 markets spanning Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and the Mediterranean. Inside, the Boreal's dashboard layout echoes that of the Duster, but with a more premium execution. Two 10-inch displays dominate the cabin, with the infotainment system integrating Google services such as Maps and the App Store. Soft-touch materials and configurable ambient lighting enhance the atmosphere, while equipment highlights include power-adjustable front seats with memory and massage functions, 24 Level 2 ADAS features, dual-zone climate control, wireless smartphone charging, and connected car technology. Globally, the Boreal will be offered with a single 1.3-liter turbocharged petrol engine in various fuel configurations and power outputs. In Brazil, it will deliver 163 PS and support flex fuel for lower running costs. Türkiye will receive a 138 PS variant of the same engine, while Latin American markets will get a 156 PS, 270 Nm version, likely to serve as the base engine in India as well. Renault has confirmed that the Boreal is engineered to accommodate different powertrain options to suit market needs.